My people, now well done. I welcome everybody to our YouTube channel, our original Pidgin English YouTube channel. I thank everybody for watching, everybody wait on they subscribe, everybody wait on they watch. I thank all of una. I appreciate all una comments, all una likes and everything. I been make una continue to encourage me. I need them well. Thank you very much. I appreciate. So today lesson we want to learn how to make balloon sleeve. Now balloon sleeve now we want to learn how to make today. So that balloon sleeve it is very simple to make and it is very stylish. So this one we go do detachable balloon sleeve, and the method where I want use now, not be saying I only one method deal, but this method where I want use they just simple and it is straightforward. So make we start. So the method where we want use now the circle method, that is the circle method of cutting balloon sleeve. Now we want use. So the first thing what we're going to need to do now to measure the length of the that is the round armhole. So you go measure the round armhole, you go multiply them by 1.5 inches. So I said the round armhole, whatever you measure the top of your arm, that is where the arm fits into the sleeve. You go measure them, then you go divide, you go multiply them by 1.5 inches. So after you don't multiply them by 1.5 inches, the value where you get, you will come use and take, you will come divide them by 6.28. So you measure the first thing, you go measure your round armhole, then you go multiply them by 1.5. Then afterwards you go divide them by 6.28. That 6.28 now the standard for cutting all circle patterns, whether na sleeve or whether na skirt or anything circle, full circle I mean, na 6.28. But if na half circle na 3.14 or 3.142. So this pattern where I use now, my round armhole na 12. So that 12 I can multiply them by 1.5 inches. I can get 18. So that 18 inches I can divide them by 6.28. So the figure where I get now 2.8 thereabouts. So that 2.8 I go mark them for this fabric for here. 2.8 I go mark them somewhere around here. So make I mark them now. So we go mark 2.8 here. 2.8 there around here. So just mark them round. So the next thing we want to do now to determine the length of the sleeve. So how long where you want make the sleeve day long, it depends on you, and how full it depends on you. So this sleeve now, I don't want to make it 2 day long. I just want about 6 inches. I don't want to make it 2 day long. So because the thing the thing I gather I go come up, I go add like 5 inches join. So if I add 5 inches join, it go be like 11 inches. So now here that 11 go day. So I go just mark them with my chalk here. This one are just for illustration purpose. Just mark them round. Mark them all round. 11. So the next thing we will do now is to cut. So we don't cut them now. Now see them. So the next thing I want to do now to open them up. So I'll just open them up and then I go for my machine. Use my machine, just gather them small for up here. Then I go also gather the down part. I go gather this bottom part here. So make I go do it now. I go come show now the outcome. See them. So make I go do it now. Come show now the outcome. So we won't gather the fabric now, as in we won't gather the sleeve now. Now see, I don't put them for the machine. So to gather sleeve, I go use the longest stitch for my machine. I go release this my tension. This one are my tension. So it depends on the kind of machine where you use. So make you check where your own tension dey for your machine, and then you go release am make e dey very light. Then when you don do that one, you go come for the stitch regulator. That is where the make I show una wetin I mean by the stitch regulator for this machine. So for this machine, see the stitch regulator. This na my own stitch regulator. So you go release the stitch regulator to the lowest. So for my own, the highest now na the lowest, sorry, the one wey dey very loose na 3. So I don release am to 3. The tightest wey the thing go sew na 1. So I don release my stitch now. Then the next thing wey I go do, and I don release the tension, I go come leave like 1 or 2 inches for the thread. See am, I go leave like 1 or 2 inches for the thread here for the back. Then I go come sew am, so that when I don dey sew, see am, see the tail wey I leave here. Now for this side, either I use this bobbin, I will use this one wey dey for the bobbin side. That is the back thread. I go come use am take draw the gathers. I will take and draw the gathers. Make I do am now, make una see. Okay, my people, we don sew am. See am. So like I said before, when you dey gather your own, you fit run 2 stitches for the sleeve, so that when you dey draw the gathers, in case one cut, you go use the other one start. You go use the other one continue, I mean. So you see am, we don gather and finish. See as the sleeve stand. And we no even put anything inside, no lining, nothing, just the sleeve as it is. So as we don gather and finish now, the next thing wey we wan do, if you want use your own as detachable sleeve, the only thing wey you fit do, or the thing wey you fit do now, you fit just use another material. You fit just cut fabric, use am pipe am for this side, pipe am for this side, pipe am for this side, pipe this side, and pipe the down part, and use am as detachable sleeve. You see am? If you no wan use am like that, you wan attach am to your sleeve, fine. You just attach this side wey suppose dey with the bodies. Just attach this side wey go dey with the bodies. Cut am for this, notch the center wey go dey with the shoulder. Then you notch the side wey go dey for the down. Just sew am for your round sleeve like that. So just sew am for your round sleeve like that, and you are good to go. So this na our circle sleeve. Una see how the thing dey fine and it makes sense. It come out very well and very beautifully. So abeg, if this lesson dey helpful to you, help me like, share and subscribe. We don come to the end of our today lesson. I go see una for another lesson. Bye bye and thank you for watching. Abeg subscribe. Thank you.